Good morning, physicists. We're going to start today off with a chemistry joke. Go for it.
How do you turn soap into sap?
I don't know.
You take away the O.
Thank you, girls. That's enough.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye!
All right, physicists. Here is your last assignment for the week. I'm looking at your Google Classroom. The objective is to begin reviewing for our final exam. I am going to attend a AP seminar tonight about what the new exam is going to look like. So starting next week, I'll be able to roll out things that are definitely streamlined or pointing us to how to do well on an exam like that. So the first thing you're doing is you're watching this video. Second thing you're going to do is you're going to get started on documenting your Unit 1 review. I want you to take pictures of your notes as you're working through. I won't have you turn them in yet. Ask your questions in the comment section below. For today, your comments will be evidence of your participation. So let me show you this document. It's a bit of a beast, and it's color-coded. Today, I only want you to focus on Unit 1, kinematics, and you're only going to do the red and the green. So red is just a reminder of what did we study in that unit. Green is what should you be able to do with your knowledge of that unit. So this is what should be documented on that sheet you're going to take pictures of your notes. Blue we're going to hold off on. Those are released problems, and technically the College Board says I cannot give you the tests that these were on. We did these in class. I'm going to figure out a workaround for that so that we can practice those things, and I'll get more information tonight. So is that clear? Work on, read red, do green, and document those. Ask any question or make a comment on below. So look at this one. I already did mine. I love kinematics. It is awesome, but how do we get acceleration from a V versus T graph? That will be your evidence. All right, guys, good luck and have a good weekend. And as always, email me or ping me on Google Hangouts or something between 3 and 4 if you need help. Let me stop this thing.